Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. This is your bonus love messages for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Okay, gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for December 2020. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the messages. Compromise and miser. You are compromising something, Aquarius, in your life, and you are creating those energies for yourself. Do not compromise. Do not compromise for yourself. Lot of messages. Okay. What are the messages? What are the messages? Burden and sorrow. You're carrying lots of burden on your shoulder, Aquarius, because you are comparing yourself. You are comparing yourself with others. Okay, do not do the comparison. The comparison is here. You're feeling very sorrow, very sad, because you're carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. Release all burdens if you are carrying out. Any other message? Be more playful, Aquarius. Playfulness is there. Then there is breakthrough. You will get a breakthrough, Aquarius. Okay, you will get a breakthrough whatever situation you are dealing with right now. You will get a breakthrough for sure, because you just need to be more playful. Okay, be more playfulness card is there. Be more playful and keep your mind silent. Silence your mind. Silence your mind thoughts. Okay, silence is a message for you. Then there is dream, there is guidance here. Maybe some of you are having some kind of dreams. Maybe you see your twin flame, your soulmate in your dream, and you're receiving a guidance from your angels. Okay, there is a guidance here. There are angels which are guiding you. Okay, maybe they're giving you some kind of dreams. Okay, then there is ordinariness and there is patience. You need to be ordinary, Aquarius, and that's the best message for you. You need to keep your patience. You need to keep your patience. Things are going to get better, because there is bottom of the deck. I'm having completion. You are completing some kind of cycle which is necessary to complete. Okay, but you are getting guidance. You're getting a guidance. Okay, you're getting guidance on your dream. Maybe through your dream you're getting guidance. There is morality and there is mind. You are more up in your mind thoughts. Do not up more in your mind thoughts. There are some morality issues which is happening in your life, in your love life. Then there is possibilities, there is guilt, and there is receptivity. Okay, so you do not feel guilt. You are feeling very this energy. Why are you in your shadow self? I can say that you have to be more open up, receptivity, so that you can receive love, you can receive beautiful things. Balance your shadow self, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting for you today. Balance your shadow self. Do not feel any guilt. Do not feel any guilt if you are having it. Release it. You just need to keep your patience. Whatever patience. Yeah, right. You are the innocent one. The innocence is there. You have to outsider harmony and there is past lives. You have to heal your inner child, okay? You have to heal your inner child. There are someone with whom you have spent your past lives. And there is a harmony which is coming for you. Peace and harmony is coming for you. You need to heal your inner child. Okay? And there is a past life connection for you. You both have spent some past lives together. Because of that, you are getting this kind of completion in your life. There is past life, there is a dream. You are getting some kind of dream. You are getting some kind of guidance through your dream. You may be seeing some kind of dreams, okay? Because you both have spent some past lives together, Aquarius. There is some past life connection between you and them. So these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Don't be more up right now in your mind. Silence your mind, okay? Do not get caught up in your mind thoughts. Do not overthink. You just need to keep silence your mind. Do some kind of meditation. Listen to some inspiration videos. Okay? Do not feel sorrow because you're carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. Do not feel any sorrow. Just you have to be more playful. You will get a breakthrough. You will get a breakthrough for sure. So thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius from this deck. Help me out to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages? Beautiful messages, Aquarius. Getting your marriage proposal. There is a marriage which is indicated here. Then there is love and there is world card again. So world is here again. That means you're completing some kind of karmic cycle. There is a completion of cycle which you need to complete. Any other message? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having owl. You're getting more intuitive than before. Okay? Because you are keeping your strength with you. The judgment is taking place for yourself. Wow, unity. You are getting reconciliation, reconcile with your divine counterpart. Can you see here? I'm having marriage and unity card here. Some of you are getting married, Aquarius. Congratulations. You are getting your marriage proposals. Your love, you're getting your love of your life. You're getting married. Okay, some kind of karmic cycle you're getting completed it. You're wrapping up some world is here, wrapping up your cycles. Beginning of new cycles are happening because you were keeping the energy of lion. You were keep moving in a forward direction by keeping your strength. You were very strong. Okay, whatever was happening in your life, it did not break you out. Basically, you're keeping your confidence. You're strong. You were moving in a forward direction. That's why the judgment is happening in your life by the divine. That now you are ready for your divine counterpart. That's why the reconciliation is happening for you. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me that if you are getting married or not. What proposals are you getting out? Okay. But you're getting your marriage proposals. Okay, some of you Aquarius are getting your marriage proposal, or you're getting married. You're getting reunited with your divine counterpart. Let me see. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Right? Correct. That was written in your contract that your heart will be broken out. That was the contract which you signed before entering in this world, before taking birth on this planet Earth. There were some pending karmic contracts, karmic cycles, which were there were karmic debts, whatever you can say. There were some contracts which was broken. And what was the contract? That your heart will get broke. Broken heart was your contract. There is 9 here, and there is 6. 9 and 6. So okay. And 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Appreciation. I'm having 15 here. You're getting now appreciation, 6 of Wands energy, success, recognition. And I also want to say you that very well done, Aquarius. After being broken heart, after getting broken your heart, you did not give up. You keep moving up in your forward direction. You keep your strength. And now it's the time so that you can get your appreciation. You're getting your appreciation. Maybe right now there are some adjacent possibilities which you have to make for your life. But do not worry. There were some soul contracts which you signed. And what was your soul contract? Some of you are feeling anxiety. Some of you are feeling anxiety that how this adjacent possibilities will happen. But do not worry, Aquarius. Maybe you are feeling anxiety due to some financial issues. Maybe you are having some kind of financial things which you need to do. But do not worry, because the door to value is open. You're getting abundance of money. Okay, it is going to open up for you. You do not have to be worried at all. Do not worry. Anxiety is there, but door to value is opening up. Yeah, right. That's why I told you. You're thinking that there are financial constraints. You're thinking the thinking woman is there. That's why you are feeling very anxiety is there. You're feeling very anxiety, very stressful, that how it will happen. I am not having any financial stability, financial opportunity right now. How will I do? You are thinking and contemplating a lot. But do not worry at all. Why I am saying that? Because the door to value is open for you. Can you see? Beautiful. You're thinking a lot because you are more focusing on the things, because you are financially, maybe you are not stable right now. Maybe you are not having much opportunities right now, but opportunities are coming for you. Your door to value is opening up. Usually, not usually, I do not do career money oriented readings. I do love readings for you, but today I am seeing more love reading, I can say that. Bottom of the deck, I'm having caring connection. Some kind of caring connection is there for you. Too many cards. And I'm not going to take it because there are too many. Okay. Please help me out to deliver the messages. You are bottom of the deck. I'm having Angel of Balance. Angel of Balance is coming to you. You're going to receive your happy family. 10 of Cups. There is someone around you. That's why the marriage card is here. That's why the marriage card is also here. Marriage, 10 of Cups. Happily ever after. Happy family, happy life. Wow, beautiful. Do not worry for your financial things, Aquarius. Do not think a lot. Okay, wait. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, healer of the ages and the victory. You're getting healing, Aquarius. 1441 was the recording reading time. Your third eye is getting more active. Okay, you are getting healing, and there is victory which is coming for you. Beautiful. You signed some contracts before entering in this live, and there was a contract that your heart will be broken out. And after your heart will broke, what will you do? And that was necessary so that you can develop, you can get to your higher self, you can get much more stronger than before. That was necessary. Okay, right now you are going to get appreciation in your life. Right now maybe there are some adjacent possibilities which you have to make. Some of you are Aquarius are thinking that what will happen, I am not having any financial opportunity in my life. You are thinking and contemplating a lot. There is thinking woman, because maybe you are not having any stable uh, job or business or money opportunity right now. But do not worry at all, because door to value is open. Okay, there is happy family here. You are going to receive your 10 of cups energy happily ever after. You're going to receive your marriage proposal. You are getting more intuitive than before, because some of you are choosing the temple path. Beautiful. You're getting healed, Aquarius. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metron. See third eye opening up. Third chakra is getting open. Your sixth chakra is getting open. Beautiful. Thinking man. There is someone around you who is thinking to approach you basically. Can you see there is a thinking man here? There is someone around you. This man is holding a star in the hand, a crystal in the hand. They're thinking about you to approach you. They're thinking that how to approach my Aquarius. They want to start a new chapter with you. Okay. You have to walk away from this person, whatever, whoever it is. Walking away is here, because there is a man holding a heart and there is a caring connection here. There are two energies for you, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is obsessed with you, who is trying to. Can you see how this man is obsessively looking at this crystal, to hold this crystal in his hand? But you need to walk away. Either you are already walking away from this person. You are already walking away from this person, and once you walk away, there is an opportunity which is coming for you, and this is the person of your life. This is the person of your life. This is the life partner, soulmate. This is the divine counterpart. This is the caring connection. Because can you see the difference between these two? And while shuffling, I was getting deceit also for this person. Okay, they will give you deceit only. This man wants to give you a heart. The man holding a heart. And this person is a thinking man. They want to control you. They're obsessed with you. That's what I can get from the pictures. And there is walking away. You need to walk away from them. And some of you Aquarius are already walking away. Maybe they broke your heart, and that was written in your contract before meeting with this person, because this person is a loyal one. This person wants to offer you their heart, and this is the caring connection. You both will take care of each other. See, I was taking the energy of this thinking man. I was going to clarify this. They are jealous with you, Aquarius. This thinking man is jealous with you. Envy is there. This is not happy. Clarify thinking man more. Clarify thinking man. Storm warning. Again, indecision. Indecision is there. They are unable to decide in their life, Aquarius. They are unable to decide whether they want to stay with you or not. They are jealous with you. They do not want to move. They do not want you to move in a forward direction. They do not want that you leave them basically. Okay, please clarify me, thinking man, a bit more. Hostilities, you need to walk away. Hostilities, envy. Thinking man, this is not good for you, whoever it is. This is not good for you. That's why the first card was walking away. You need to walk away as soon as possible from this energy who is jealous from you. There are hostilities. They are obsessed with you. They want to control you. And in the main reading also, I was getting the message that someone from your past is coming back. Okay, clarify me, men holding a heart, amor. The temple path, the world, the patience. Because you keep the patience, Aquarius, you are completing the world is here, a cycle here. Okay, the world card is here and you're choosing the temple path. Okay, you're doing your meditations, you're getting the blessings of the ancestors, you're doing your inner work, you're keeping your patience with you. That's why you're getting the blessings of this person. Clarify me, man holding a heart, the sun, and bottom of the deck I'm having cornucopia. Cornucopia is the best card which I love in this deck, because this is so beautiful. This is abundance of everything, and this is what you are manifesting it. The magician is here. You manifesting abundance of love, abundance of everything, and now you are getting it, Aquarius, getting new beginnings. The sun is here with this men holding heart, because I want to clarify more between these two energies. So there are two energies around you. This is the new energy who wants to offer you their heart. The new beginning is here with them. Beautiful. There is a new beginning for you, Aquarius, and you need to walk away from that energy who is a thinking man. Wow. Bottom of the deck I'm having yin and yang. This is your soulmate, your life partner soulmate, which is entering right now. The yin and yang. Right now you are feeling like all tied up, feeling restricted. 8 of swords energy, you are unable to move in a forward direction, but you are starting a new journey, Aquarius. You will start a new journey with this person, with this in your life. A new chapter of your life is going to start. A new chapter is going to start. This is the yin and yang, your twin flame, your soulmate, your life partner soulmate. Beautiful. Can you see how beautiful it is? Wow. I'm very much happy for you, Aquarius. You deserve it. You deserve it. These cards are so beautiful for you. Okay, the sun is here. The journey is here. The caring connection is here. The yin and yang is here. So this is your yin and yang, your other half, your divine masculine. Okay, if you gender is not specific here. If you are a male watching this, then this is your divine feminine. Okay, but this is your other half, the partner, the life partner, the life soul, life partner, I can say, the twin flame, the soulmate, whatever you can call. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to me, to my lovely Aquarius. And this person was, they are coming back because they are very jealous with you. They want to, can you see how this man is holding this crystal, this star crystal in hand? They want a control over you basically. They are not happy at all. They are very jealous. There are hostilities. There are indecisionness. You need to walk away from them. Walking away is there. Maybe some of you has already walked away from their life. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. And this was written in your contract, Aquarius, the broken heart, that your heart will be broken out before meeting your twin flame, before meeting your soulmate. That was a contract which you signed before entering in this world, before taking birth on this planet. So thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me add some quantum oracle deck. I'm going to add some messages from this deck, and I'm going to close this reading out. And I'm going to make one more video, as I have now divided these bonus love messages into 2 parts, so that I can get all the important messages which are important for you to deliver. So I'm going to make one more video in which I'm going to upload more videos, more messages. Okay, see, there was a journey card, journey message here for you, Aquarius. 1 minute. Journey is also resembles that either some of you Aquarius are going to travel somewhere. Okay, and here also I'm having travel. So maybe you are going to travel somewhere around the world. Okay, I don't know where are you traveling, and if you are not traveling, then a new journey of your life is going to start. Okay, some of you are requiring a personal assistance, okay, while traveling, because you're going to start a new chapter in your life. You're going to travel, you will require a professional assistance. That how can I travel? As you know, see, the scare temple again has come. Beautiful. Getting blessings of divine. Beautiful cards for you. You deserve it, Aquarius. You deserve your happy success is coming here. Happy success is coming and you deserve it. Any other message which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Wow. Ascended Masters, and there is family card here again. You are receiving blessings from the divine, Aquarius. You're receiving blessings from the divine, from the universe, from the angels, to start your family, happy family, Aquarius. Then from 3 cards, from the 3 decks, I'm getting family here. 10 of Cups energy. You are the ascended masters, ascended souls, old souls. Okay, and now you're getting awakened, now you're getting more intuitive, and you deserve it, because whatever hard work you have done, you have put in the universe. Now it's time to pay back, to get your rewards back. Not pay back, to get your rewards back. Rewards back. Peace is coming for you. Okay, there is a peace which is coming for you. Okay, any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? Is there any message? See, that's why I told you. There is decrease, there is loss. Maybe some of you feel a loss. What loss? Yes, right. Deception, fragmented energy. Okay. Intuitions and manifestation. Use your intuitions, use your manifestations, Aquarius, because beautiful things are coming your way. Okay. And what is the decrease? There is a decrease. You will think that there is a decrease here in your life. There is a loss which is coming in your life. But why there is coming? Because there is some deceptions around you. There is fragmented energy. There is deception. There is one person around you who is thinking man, who is not good for you. Okay. And that is happening because you are getting converted, Aquarius, because there is fear which is around you. You may be having a fear around you. You want to play it safe, playing it safe. Can you see? You must be having fear that if I will say no, that what will happen in my life. Okay, but say no, because it will, and after this, whatever this was happened, this will happen. After this, you are going to convert it into your higher self. this, if you are, you has to get upgrade to your higher self, and for getting your higher self you have to overcome your fears. Okay, there is some deception energy, a fragmented energy around you. Okay, you need to deal with this kind of energies and say no to them. Say no to them, because beautiful energies are coming for you. You're getting your higher self, you're getting your higher self for you. And after that you will, there are joys, fun is coming for you. There is peace which is coming for you. You're getting success. Okay, so these are the messages for you, my lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Either you are traveling somewhere or you're getting your marriage proposal from someone. Okay, but there are two energies. Please keep in mind, please take care of yourself and be aware. Be Keep a safe distance from these deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulated energies of people around you. Okay, so these are the bonus messages for December 2020. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.